Florence is the perfect place to join unique workshops and classes. Learn new techniques in photography, painting, and more, while enjoying an enriching educational experience. Florence, pizza, and gelato preparation class. Learn how to prepare traditional Italian dishes such as pizza and gelato through a late afternoon class. Under the guidance of a skilled chef, participants will learn the art of crafting exquisite pizzas, including the pezzaiolo variety. Participants will gain expertise in creating soft, pliable yeast dough capable of stretching to near paper thinness, along with mastering the technique for a delightful yet light tomato sauce. Following the pizza lesson, the chef will delve into the significance of gelato in Italy, explaining its popularity and cultural importance. Participants will explore various types of gelato bases and the selection criteria for quality ingredients. A presentation followed by tastings of different flavors will further enhance understanding and appreciation of this beloved dessert. The session will cover essential aspects related to gelato preparation, including the use of raw ingredients, colorants, heating methods, and freezing processes. Participants will uncover the secret behind Italy's most cherished dessert and gain insights into Italian culinary traditions and heritage. This immersive experience promises both educational value and memorable enjoyment, ensuring participants create lasting impressions of Italian cuisine and culture. Cooking Art Brunelleschi. Discover the art of crafting authentic homemade pasta, reminiscent of traditional techniques used by our esteemed ancestors in Italy. Our Culinary Academy. Nestled within an ancient medieval tower dating back to the 12th century, offers a unique learning environment close to iconic landmarks, such as Brunelleschi's Dome and the birthplace of the renowned poet Dante Alighieri. Our expert instructors possess extensive knowledge and hands-on experience in the finest Italian cuisine, ensuring that each student receives personalized guidance throughout the entire process. To commence your journey into the world of handmade pasta, we will venture out to the local market adjacent to our tower to select high-quality ingredients. From selecting the finest flours to meticulously preparing ravioli, tortellini, and tagliatelle, alongside creating mouth-watering sauces like butter and sage, pomodoro, and classic Tuscan ragu. We will guide you through every stage with meticulous attention to detail. All necessary equipment for making these delightful pastas and accompanying sauces will be provided by our experienced staff. At the conclusion of our session, we invite you to indulge in the delectable dishes we have prepared together, accompanied by a selection of premium Tuscan wines or additional refreshments at your discretion. This unforgettable culinary adventure promises to enhance your understanding of Italian traditions, while providing an unparalleled gastronomic experience. Join us now to embark on this enriching journey of discovery. Florence, fresh pasta and gelato authentic cooking class. Interested in mastering the art of creating authentic Italian delicacies, such as pasta and gelato? Consider enrolling in our cooking classes designed to bring these beloved treats to life. Our pasta making class offers an immersive experience, guiding participants through the process of crafting fresh pasta from scratch. From kneading the dough to rolling it out and slicing into traditional shapes, attendees will gain invaluable skills in preparing authentic Italian pastas. Additionally, we explore the diverse range of sauces that pair beautifully with each type of pasta, ensuring a comprehensive understanding of both preparation methods and flavor profiles. Following closely behind, our gelato making workshop provides enthusiasts with hands-on instruction on producing this indulgent Italian confection. Emphasis is placed on utilizing premium quality ingredients sourced locally or seasonally, focusing particularly on fresh fruits. Participants learn the intricacies involved in achieving optimal texture and flavor, ranging from classics like vanilla and chocolate to more adventurous combinations featuring nuts and seeds. Led by seasoned culinary experts committed to preserving the essence of authentic Italian cuisine, our classes guarantee an engaging and informative session. Throughout the course, participants will have ample opportunities to sample their creations alongside professional feedback, empowering them to replicate these delectable dishes at home. Upon completion, attendees will receive recipe books filled with detailed instructions, allowing them to continue experimenting with these cherished Italian delights. Florence pasta and tiramisu cooking class with wine. Join us for an enriching culinary experience at a renowned restaurant in the heart of the city. Our expert instructors will guide you through the process of creating exquisite fresh pasta and the quintessential tiramisu, both traditional favorites of Italian cuisine. During this session, you'll acquire invaluable skills and techniques that you can apply to future endeavors. Following our tutorial, indulge in your freshly prepared dishes accompanied by 3 servings of local wine. Engage in lively discussions with your peers, while savoring each bite, discussing the flavors and cultural significance of Italian gastronomy. To conclude, we recommend enjoying a cup of espresso, or indulging in a refreshing limoncello, to cap off your memorable evening. Florence pizza and gelato class at a Tuscan farmhouse. Join us for an unforgettable culinary experience at our exclusive farm-to-table event. Located just outside of Florence, our picturesque estate offers an unparalleled setting for learning the art of crafting exquisite pizzas and creamy gelatos. Our skilled Italian chefs will guide you through every step of the process, ensuring that each dish reflects the finest ingredients available locally. Upon arrival, we'll transport you to our serene countryside location, where you'll have the opportunity to engage hands-on in the kitchen. We'll begin by rolling out the dough, selecting fresh herbs and vegetables from our expansive garden. Assembling the base, you'll carefully add your desired toppings, think classic pepperoni, fresh mozzarella, and fragrant basil. Watch as the chef expertly shapes each pizza into perfection before it's placed back into the oven. The moment your freshly baked pizza emerges from the hot oven, let loose with laughter and applause as you savor its rich flavors. Enjoy a glass of Chianti wine or a crisp beer, paired perfectly with the savory pie. Following our culinary journey, our talented gelato master will lead you through a workshop designed to showcase traditional Italian techniques. With his guidance, you'll blend artisanal cream with natural sugars, creating a smooth, silky consistency that transports you back in time to Italy's most beloved dessert. As the evening draws to a close, indulge in one last scoop of our homemade gelato. It's guaranteed to satisfy even the most discerning palate. This intimate yet engaging event promises to be a memorable taste of Florence, leaving you with a newfound appreciation for local cuisine and craftsmanship.